Hey, what's up, guys? This goes to Chips. Sorry I haven't made a video. That's because I'm about to ship my gun off. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm tired of using this sights on it. I'm shipping it off and getting the original sights put back on it. So that's probably gonna take about 2 weeks at the most. But I shot a bird. Here it is. I can't find an entry wound. I can't, but hold on, let me flip it around. I shot it about an hour ago. I woke up pretty early. Well, my plan was to wake up around 6:30 and be out there, but I woke up around 6:10. I wasn't using my scope, and I wasn't using pellets. Damn it. Okay, sorry. I thought I lost the screw right here. Like, it's still in it, but I wasn't using pellets. I was using BBs. These right there. Let me tell you, the BBs will fit in the gun, but you can shoot them. But if you point your gun down, or if you're shooting down, the BB will roll out. But if you're shooting up inside a tree, the BB come out really, really fast. Damn it, that's a big ass bird up over there. A bird land right up over there. I think it was a pigeon or a big blue jay. But yeah, that Crosman Phantom. Let me see, how can I put this? The reason why I carry this gun out in the woods is because I'm shooting at a squirrel. They love to run up inside a tree and hide up in the top of the tree. So with the Crosman Pump Master, I use that to shoot up at the tree, so I can make the squirrel run to the other side of the tree, or just basically make the squirrel run so I can get a better shot at it at a different angle. But yeah, BBs work fine, pretty good in the Crosman Phantom. Bad thing about it, the BB just roll out the barrel. But here's the bird once again. I could have shot a squirrel, but damn it, I point my gun at the squirrel and my gun wasn't cocked or loaded. So yeah, I'm kind of talking kind of funny because I feel sick because all this pollen and stuff outside. Here's the bird. I'm not gonna really make this video this long. Like I said, I'm supposed to be getting a job in the next month or 2 months. So yeah, I'm going to be getting big money. I'm going to be buying the Gamo Whisper, the Gamo Big Cat, and the Beeman R2, and some other stuff. I'm buying a HD camera, that's for sure. I'm tired of using this bullshit camera. But let me show you the sights on my gun. But that's the sights up on it. It's not too bad, but I want the original back on it. Original sights. I keep my screw inside my Pump Master. You see the screw? I mean the Crosman Phantom. I kept it the way it came. So I'm gonna send my gun back to Pyramid Air, and hopefully they'll send me a scope back. Hopefully they'll fuck up my order and send me a scope back on it. That would be pretty damn cool. You probably hear that bird in the background, but I'm gonna try to shoot it. Alright, bye. Comment, wait, and subscribe.